Today we're making another easy pasta recipe, pang madali ang pasta again. Milk, pasta, chicken hot dog, vegan longanisa, 2 pieces, butter, cheese. I got no onion, so I'm putting onion powder. Got no garlic as well, so I'm putting garlic granulated. White pepper ground. I'm putting thyme leaves. Let's add some water, salt, and a little sugar. Let's stir first. Now let's cook until the pasta is tender. After 20 minutes, ito na siya. And I think it's already okay since malambot na yung pasta niya. So the taste is good na. And it's ready to serve. It's taste test time and let's have it with matcha latte. It's delicious. Why don't you try it? Thank you for watching.